Your time at just about 5:15. The American Heart Association is applauding the funding secured in the newest state budget to feed all public school students free breakfast and lunch every day. But it says more needs to be done. ABC 12's Cheryl Coonan joins us live now from our Great Lakes Bay Region newsroom with the organization's reaction. Cheryl?
That's right, Matt. After months of delays and negotiations that pushed past the constitutional deadline, leaders at the American Heart Association tell me they are urging continued momentum for cardiac emergency response funding in schools and school athletics, particularly ensuring one or more AEDs are in every Michigan school. Amanda Klein, the state government relations director at the American Heart Association, says the $6 million in funding they were asking for would help improve survival rates from sudden cardiac arrest. Since the COVID-19 pandemic began, heart attack deaths across all age groups have become more common in the U.S., according to a study by Cedars-Sinai Hospital. Klein says cardiac emergency response funding was passed in 2024, but in the recently passed state budget, funding for AEDs was left out, despite the $24 billion education budget and the restoring of $321 million for mental health and safety needs in schools. The devices help increase survival rates for those experiencing sudden cardiac arrest by shocking the heart to reestablish rhythm. Klein hopes legislators will act on this next year, especially with the likelihood of cuts to federal programs.
We were hoping that was going to go in the school safety grant dollars and the education budget, which was included. That grant pot actually expanded, but it didn't list the cardiac emergency response plan and the AEDs as an option for schools. So we're going to have to come back next year and make sure that legislators can appropriate that.
And coming up, we'll hear from a local parent who shares perspective on why cardiac emergency response funding is so important. Live from the Great Lakes Bay Region newsroom, Cheryl Coonan, ABC 12 News.